One day, Jesus and Satan were walking through a vineyard. Satan, with a sly grin, challenged Jesus, "If you're truly powerful, turn these vines into gold. Wealth will win over all the people of the world." Jesus smiled gently and replied, "Wealth may win their eyes, but love wins their hearts." He touched the vines, and they bore the ripest, sweetest grapes anyone had ever tasted. Intrigued, Satan picked a grape, but as he bit into it, he spat it out. "Too sweet," he exclaimed. Jesus looked at him and said, "The sweetest things in life often come from patience and care, not power or greed." Satan, frustrated, turned away, while Jesus sat under the vines, offering grapes to those who passed by. People came, tasted, and felt peace. They did not crave gold, only the love that filled their hearts. Moral: true strength lies not in power or riches but in love and patience.